Hey, what's up, you mother effers? I'm Dane from Easton Fitness coming at you with a Q&A session. I've got some questions here on my phone that I'd like to answer for you. I hope you find enjoyment in this. Okay, question number one comes in from Nicole. How do you stay on track with eating healthy? This is a multi-part answer. Number one, staying prepared at all times with options of healthy food available in my car, in my backpack, at the gym, at home. That's crucial for me because, as you all already know, I'm a cookie-holic. I love sweets. And if I don't have something healthy to grab, I will go for the Girl Scout cookies. I will go for the donuts. I will go for the ice cream especially. So being prepared is number one for me. Now I work 1,000 hours a week. So being prepared is a difficult thing for me to do. So most recently, I finally just admitted that I'm not going to cook anymore. And so I partnered or hired a company named DAVAS, FLAVAHS. Company, local, owned by a guy named Dave. He's a chef. It's kind of like hiring a personal chef. He sends out an email weekly with a menu. You text him what you want to eat. He sends you a bill, you pay it, he delivers the food, done. So it's made my life a hell of a lot easier. As you guys know, I have a man cave at the gym with a refrigerator in there, so I just gave Dave a key fob. He comes in, he delivers food on Monday for me, and my meals for the week are all set. That being said, Dave is sole proprietor, so it's just him. He buys the food, he prepares it, he packages it, he delivers it. So you don't have a lot of people handling what you're going to be eating. Also, he only buys the top premium grade meats and produce, and the fish that he gets is amazing. So I'm in love with it. I highly recommend it. I'll put the link in the description below for you, and I promise you'll like it too. And it's not that expensive if you really take into account, you know, your time going to the grocery store, your time prepping the meals. You may save money there, but you're losing so much money on the back end by all that food that's going rotten in your refrigerator, because you know, you meal prep and then you get tired of eating the same stuff. So you know, that was just another reason for me to finally just say, you know what, I need a professional to help me. The second part to that is going to be when Easton Fitness brought on New England Nutrition Advisors, specifically Carly Johnston, who has an office within our gym, and she did a great job of analyzing what I do for my training, how I go through my day, how I have tendencies to go hours and hours without eating and then I binge. So she was able to put together a plan for me, and then I filled in all the gaps using Dave's food and just being prepared. So question number one answered.